Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this pre-owned Nautique G23. This is a 2022 G23. It's got the black hull side with the white accents. In 2022 they did redesign the tower. So the 2022 does come with the new redesigned tower. On this boat we've got all the options in the back. We've got the steer assist, underwater lights, obviously NSS. We've got the nice seats here in the back on this 2022. It's a great boat. Let's go to the interior and take a look. All right, as we walk aboard this 2022 G23, you'll see most of the seats are white with some black accents and also the tan accents around there as well. Got a couple JLs up on the tower, the bimini. This has got the nice U-shaped seating like all the G23s. This has got heated seats. It's got the heaters. You've got everything you need in this G23. Only 170 hours. Trailer is included. Bow filler cushion. Just an excellent boat. If you don't want to get something new, you want to get something that's in great shape, only 170 hours, this G23 2022 is a great choice. Come on down to our Rogers location and come take a look.